In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text in Squarespace. This effect is a simple way to draw attention to announcements, promos, or headlines, and you can set it up in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few design tips so it looks clean, readable, and on brand. First, open your website and click Edit. This takes you into the page editing view, where you can modify content right on the canvas. You'll see your sections and blocks become interactive, so you can work visually and place elements exactly where you want them. Next, navigate to the section where you want the effect to appear. Then click Add Block at the top left. The block panel opens, showing the available elements you can add to your page. This is your toolkit for building layouts, and it's where you'll find the option we need for moving, eye-catching text. Now, select the scrolling section and drag and drop it wherever you want. As you drag, watch for the placement guides that help you align things neatly. You can position the scrolling element as a full-width banner or nest it alongside other content, depending on your layout. If you're using a grid-style layout, aim for clean edges and consistent spacing so the movement feels intentional rather than distracting. Once it's placed, double-click it to edit its contents and design. Replace the placeholder text with your message, keeping it short and clear so it reads easily as it moves. Adjust the design to match your brand, set the font, size, and color, and make sure there's strong contrast between the text and the background. If settings are available for speed or direction, choose a pace that's readable and a direction that suits your layout. Too fast can feel chaotic, too slow can be missed. A steady, medium speed usually works best. You can also refine padding and alignment so the text doesn't feel cramped, and keep the line length concise to avoid overwhelming your viewers. A few quick styling tips as you fine-tune. Stick to a simple, bold font for maximum legibility. Avoid long sentences, use capitalization thoughtfully, and consider limiting the effect to one or two key lines so it complements, rather than competes with, the rest of your page. Aim for a message that loops naturally without an obvious start or end. And that's all. Open your website and click Edit. Go to the section you want and click Add Block. Select the scrolling section and drag it into place, then double-click to customize the text and design. You're ready to grab attention with smooth, professional scrolling text in Squarespace.